continue with the class. So we will see about the roles and responsibility of a nurse in PHC. So what are the roles and responsibility of a nurse in PHC? So mainly the roles and responsibility or the roles of the nurse in the PHC, it is the roles it mainly includes, like she is a planner or programmer. Okay, she is a planner or programmer. So that is usually what happens. She identifies the needs, priorities, problems of the individual family, as well as she identifies the problem of the individual as well as the family members. So not only of the individuals or community, but she also identifies the problems of the community. So the first role it is that she acts as a planner or programmer, where she will identify the problems of the individual, family as well as communities, and she'll check out the needs and priorities of the community. Okay, needs and priorities of the community. So based on whatever the problem that she has assessed, okay, what are the problem that she has assessed or she has collected, she will organize the plan. Okay, she will organize or she will plan what are the things, what are the care that she has to give, so that she will solve the problem of the individual as well as the community. So that is usually then she'll make some policies. Okay, she'll make some policies or circular for the staff concerned to do the work. Okay, for the staff concerned to do the work. So that is usually about this planner or programmer. Okay, she acts as a planner or programmer, where she collects the information regarding the problems of the health, problems of the individual, family and communities. Then according to that, she will plan what are the care that has to be given to solve the problems of the communities. So that is usually there. So next is she provides nursing care. Okay, so now she has collected the information, she has planned what the care that she has to do. So now she will take the care. Okay, now she will go with giving care, nursing care for the individual, family as well as to the community. So this care, whatever she is giving to the individual, family and community, she will be giving to in the home, clinic or in the school or in the workplace. Okay, she will be giving it in the home, clinic, school or in the workplace. So that is usually about this thing. So that is mainly about this nursing care. So that is whatever the things that she has collected the information, whatever she has planned to give care, to that care she will give in this thing. So she will be giving care to the individual, family as well as the whole community in the home, clinic, school or in the workplace. So next is community organizer. Okay, she acts as a community organizer. So what are the things that she will do is that she will motivate and enhance the community participation. Okay, she will motivate and enhance community participation in planning, organizing, implementing and evaluating health problems. Okay, evaluating health services. So that is usually what happens in this community. When she acts as a community organizer, she will motivate, enhance community participation. Okay, she will motivate, enhance community participation in implementing, organizing, planning and evaluating the health services. Okay, evaluating the health services. So that is the thing that usually she will do. So next is coordination of services. Okay, next role that she has to perform in the PHC, it is coordination of services. So she will coordinate with the individual and family or group for health related services. Okay, so that is she will coordinate and work. She will coordinate and provide healthcare services. So with whom she will coordinate? She will coordinate with the individual, she will coordinate with the families, or she will coordinate with the community. She will work as a team. Okay, she will work as a team to solve the problem. Okay, she will work as a team to solve the problem. So that is usually there. And also she will coordinate and do certain programs also. She will conduct certain programs also, such as environmental sanitation, health education. She will be providing to the individual, family members as well as to the community. So that is the next role. It is coordinating the services. So that is she will work as a team. Okay, she will work as a team, like she will coordinate and work along with the individuals, family members as well as the community. So that is usually that. So next is health education or training. Okay, she will usually health educate. So normally she will identify the training needs of the health workers. Okay, she will identify the training needs of the health workers and she will be giving training to the health workers, such as DICE, female health workers, male health workers. So like this, usually she will be giving training to such workers. Okay, she will be giving training to such workers. So that is usually there. Along with that, she will be giving health education to the people. Okay, along with that, she'll give health education to the people regarding prevention of promotion of the health, promotion of health and prevention of diseases. So that is usually about this training or health educator. So next is health monitor. Okay, so she'll be detecting any deviation. Okay, she'll be observing or she'll be detecting any deviation from the health. Okay, if the individual is showing any deviation from the health, so immediately she will report to the, immediately she will communicate with the family members and she will start giving care for the people. So she'll act as a health monitor, where she'll be observing, where she'll be monitoring the family. Okay, where she'll be monitoring the family. So even in that, when she is monitoring the family members, even if there is slight deviation from the health, okay, even if there is slight deviation from the health, then immediately she'll communicate with the family members and start giving care. So that is health monitor. So next is recording and reporting. So next work, that this role it is recording and reporting. So she will prepare and submit the records. Okay, so whatever the things that she has done, whatever the she has given care to the community, what are the health education she has given, what are the training that she has given, everything she'll record and she'll submit it to the PHC. Okay, everything she'll record and she'll submit it to the PHC. Not only this, she'll prepare statistical data also. Okay, she'll prepare statistical data and that will be submitted to the PHC. Okay, these are the roles of the nurse in the PHC. So firstly, she acts as a planner or programmer, where she'll be planning like what care she has to. First she'll collect the information regarding the problems of the individual, community as well as family members. Then she'll plan what are the things that she has to do. She'll train up the health workers who are involved in giving the care. So next is she'll give care. So what are the problems that she has identified, for that she'll be giving care. So the care can be given in the home, clinic, school or in wherever they are working. So next is as a community organizer, where she'll make the community to participate in the health programs, in planning, implementing, evaluating the health services that is usually done. So next role it is mainly coordinator of services, where she'll be coordinating, like where she'll work as a team member. Okay, where she'll work as a team. Okay, where she'll work as a team in organizing camp or in organizing clinic or in organizing health program. So that is usually thing. So next is training and health education, where she'll give health education to family members regarding prevention of disease and promotion of health. And next is usually she'll be giving training to the health workers. Okay, whoever is required for training, so she'll be providing training to that health workers. So next is health monitor. She'll be monitoring the family members, regarding health of the family members. If there is any deviation from the health, okay, if there is any deviation from the health, she'll immediately communicate with the family members and start giving care. So next is recording and reporting, where she'll be recording all the things whatever she has done, and also she'll prepare a statistical data. So these are the roles of a nurse in the PHC: planner, programmer, nursing care, community organizer, coordinating the services, training and health education, monitoring the health, as well as recording and reporting. So this is about this PHC. So PHC is nothing but where essential care will be given, which is made accessible, universal accessible to the individual and adaptable to them, where there is full participation as well as at a cost which can be afforded by the community as well as the country. So this is about this PHC.